Hello students, earth scientists. We're going to look at assignment 4.05 today. It's where you will be looking, or you have looked, at scientist resumes on astronomers that made contributions to how we view the solar system. And from your notes and research on those 6 scientists, you are going to decide which one you personally believe has made the biggest contribution, and you're going to take the role of a magazine editor, writer, and write a magazine article about that scientist. So that's it in a nutshell. So let's look at the lesson. So 4.05 is the magazine article. If you click where it says right here, Astronomer Resumes, this is a document that was created for you that has notes on, and it's in a resume format, so it's supposed to be fun, but it has notes on these 6 scientists. So you can look through at Aristotle, his beliefs, Ptolemy, Copernicus, Galileo, Kepler, and Newton. And you can take notes from this PDF, or you can do your own research online and find some more notes on the scientists. So this is the information. We started this on Tuesday in Class Connect. Also on Tuesday, I gave you this worksheet. I'm not collecting this, but this was for you to take notes on so that you have an idea of the contributions that each scientist made. So you'll list the scientists on the left, their dates here, and then their discoveries. So this is for you. You don't need to turn this in, but this is for you to take notes on all of the scientists. But if you were in Class Connect on Tuesday, we did this with your classmates. So once you have an idea about all of the scientists, again, you're going to analyze that data and apply it and decide on your own who you think has made the biggest contribution. There's no right or wrong answer, but you will need to support your answer with facts. So if you click on the actual assignment, it explains what to do. You're the editor of a popular science magazine. In next month's issue, you will name the most important astronomer, who's a scientist who studies outer space and history. Your employees have helped narrow down the list to 6 people. It's now up to you to choose the person who you believe made the most important contribution to astronomy. To help you do this, you'll look over the resumes of each astronomer, which I showed you. As you read about each scientist, record the things that stand out to you, and then remember you're looking for the most important contributions and discoveries. And this doesn't have to be on this worksheet because I know it's a PDF, so you might not be able to write on it. But you will be typing it up in a Word document, or if you want to, you can print this out and write directly on this. You're going to name the astronomer that you think is the most important. You're going to write a short magazine article, and then I would also like you to include a picture. So if you're reading the instructions, you need a title, a picture, and about 3 paragraphs to convince your reader that your astronomer is the most important. So this should include facts about their discoveries and good information, and you should be writing it from the perspective of a magazine editor. When you're finished, please upload it to the Dropbox for 4.05 right here, and I will grade it. Thanks.